Your Snowflake warehouse has everything: customer data, transactions, product usage, marketing attribution, years of it, terabytes of it. But every time someone needs an answer, the process looks the same. Open Snowflake, write a query, wait for it to run, export to a spreadsheet, format it, build a chart, and send it over. Then they ask a follow-up question, and you have to do it all again. The data is there, the bottleneck is access. TextQL removes that bottleneck. Connect your Snowflake warehouse and let anyone on your team ask questions in natural language. In this video, I'll introduce you to Anna, walk you through connecting Snowflake, and show you how you can start making data-driven decisions in minutes. Your VP of Marketing wants to know which campaigns drove the most pipeline last quarter. Instead of filing a ticket or pinging an analyst, they open TextQL and type, which marketing campaigns generated the most pipeline in Q3? Break it down by channel and show me the trend over time. Anna writes the SQL, runs it against Snowflake, and returns a full analysis with visualizations. If they want to dig deeper, they just ask follow-ups. How does that compare to Q2? Or show me the conversion rate by campaign. No waiting, no back and forth, and no context loss between request and delivery. Setup takes a few minutes. You'll need your account identifier from the Snowflake console, your database and schema names, a warehouse for running queries, and a private key for authentication. To create a private key in Snowflake, first generate a key pair using OpenSSL or your preferred method. Assign a public key to your Snowflake user and keep the private key file secure for upload to TextQL. In TextQL, create a new connector. Select Snowflake, enter your account details, and upload your private key file. Test the connection and click Create Connection. After you create the connector, Anna immediately starts scanning your environment. She maps every table, identifies relationships between them, and builds an understanding of your data. Within a few seconds, she's ready to answer questions. Once the connector is created, you can use the context editor to attach specific context to this connector. Details of the context editor will be covered in a separate video. Everyone benefits from Anna, even analysts who already know SQL, but especially business users, sales leaders checking pipeline, product managers tracking feature adoption, executives preparing for board meetings, operation teams monitoring KPIs. These are the people who currently wait in a queue or settle for stale dashboards. With TextQL, they get answers immediately. 3 things happen when your team can self-serve. First, speed. The gap between having a question and getting a response shrinks from days to seconds. Second, depth. People ask follow-up questions they never would have asked before because the cost of asking is now nearly zero. And third, focus. Routine requests handle themselves so your data team can focus on what matters. You already have the data. You already have Snowflake running. The missing piece is letting your team actually use it. Visit textql.com to learn more.